Here is a reminder of how to do long division without having a remainder, using a decimal instead. So the first thing we need to do, this is 6,440 divided by 25. The first thing you need to do, remember, take your time, there's no hurry, is to write out your 25 times table. I've gone as far as 10 because I don't think I'll need to go any further than that. And the first thing I do is I go one by one. How many times does 24 fit into 6? 0. Dead easy. So how many times does 25 go into 64? Once, twice, 3 times is too big, so it's twice. Goes into 64 twice. But remember, I didn't get as far as 64. I only actually got as far as 50. So I take these away to find out what my remainder is, and my remainder is 14. Then I bring down the 4 from my next number and stick it on the end. Now I need to look at how many times does 25 go into 144. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is too big, it doesn't go into 150, so it's 125. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes in 5 times. But like before, I didn't quite get to 144, I only got as far as 125. So I'll take those away to find my remainder, which is going to be 19. I did that quite quickly, but if you wanted to do it, 4 take away 5 you can't do, so 14 take away 5 is 9, 3 take away 2 is 1, 1 take away 1 is 0. I just did that one in my head, but that's how you do it if you're using the borrowing method. Okay, bring down the 0 from here, and I'm left with 190. How many times does 25 go into 90? 190. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because the next number's too big. So 7, but I didn't get to 190, I only got to 175. Now this is where things are slightly different, because we're not going to use a remainder, remember. So to find out the remainder from here, I need to do 10 take away 5, which is 5, 8 take away 7, which is 1, and then 1 take away 1 is 1, so 15. Okay, but I don't want to write remainder 15 there. Instead, I'm going to start adding some decimals. Okay, so now I've got a 0 that I can bring down. All I've done is I've added a decimal to each one, and to find out what this decimal is, I've now got an extra digit, which is 0, because remember, 6440.0 is exactly the same as 6440. This 0 is just going to help me out. So I brought that down, so now I've got 150. How many times does 25 go into 150? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it went in exactly, so I know I don't have anything left to do. I have finished. There's no more remainders. So 6,440 divided by 25 equals 257.6. You may need to watch this video a couple of times if you want to practice, but that should be now a pretty good reminder of how these work.